Hello everybody, Chad here. Welcome back to the Dorky and 40 channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this month's January's Dronedrop Box. A little late to the party here, but better late than never. If you are interested in subscribing to the Dronedrop Box, please use the link below in the description. Help a channel out. Also, if you don't know, you also have access to the Dronedrop store with massive discounts on items that are placed into every month's Dronedrop box. You can pretty much pay for a drop every couple months if you guys get on there and order some props or whatever you want to get. So, without hesitation, let's take a look at what is in this month's box. It's a very interesting box. Really like it. Seems to be pretty popular, even though it doesn't have the super duper $100 motors and stuff that everybody wants. But as usual, we got us a sticker sheet here, Velcro straps. We have two different sizes of pre-cut heat shrink for our ESCs, which is really great because I have a couple rolls of these that are like 10 feet long and they're never the right size. I still use individual ESCs, pretty much all I use except for like on my 3-inch builds. We also have a full set of diamond files, which, you know, let's face it, most frames now you don't really need to do a whole lot of messing around on, but if you've got some bird edges or something like that, you can always get in there and clean stuff up. And since I build models, I will definitely be using these. We have 3 sets of orange 4.3 V1S props. We have the Ethics transmitter strap, which I'm pretty excited about. This is actually something that I wish I wanted in last month's Dronedrop box, and it showed up this month. So, real nice and long. Got a nice clasp there, pretty strong. Got some nice stick padding here. Keep yourself cool. And I just put it around myself, and yeah, I like it. Don't really care about the green. I know some people do. They think it's hideous, but I am down with that. All kinds of heat shrink. Different sizes, different colors. This is pretty nice. Now I can get rid of the 2 or 3 heat shrink boxes I have up there that have all kinds of different sizes that I've cut apart that I'll never use. And finally, the big item is going to be, this is the RUNCAM Robin. So this is the new budget-minded RUNCAM camera that seems to be pretty okay for its price. I plan on putting this in my iNav build with my wing, my recruit, and pulling out my eagle out of there and throwing this in there. Doesn't come with any of the frills, just a cable, and look, you actually get the adapter plate in there, so that's pretty nice. No remote control, stuff like that. We've all got dozens of those kicking around in our bins and bags, so good on you, RUNCAM, for cutting costs for us a little bit and getting something better into our hands. So once again, Cam and everybody, good job. This box is definitely going to be put to use. What can I say? Very happy customer. We will talk to you guys later.